a smartwatch Xiaomi S1 Pro, which I ordered from Chinese. This machine is Chinese long. No global ROM yet. I will open the box for you to see. The box on have Chinese language, which I can't read at all. Open it now. I will see the beautiful device with minimal classic design. Which originally I wanted an Apple Watch, but its battery didn't last long, so I showed another smartwatch. This Xiaomi smartwatch is a removable reader strap and measures 22 mm. Let's have a look inside the box. There is a manual that has Chinese language but can't read it. And then there will be a wireless charging cable. I will turn on the device now. When I open the device, and I will see that there is a language direction which has Chinese and English, and then I chose English. After selecting the language, it will scan the QR code to download the application to pair between smartwatch and smartphone. First, you have to select a region as Chinese before you can pair it. Until I know that, I have to change the region. It took me a long time to know after pairing. I update the firmware and it can be used add-on. To touch the device is quite smooth, whether the UI is pretty smooth. Even if the language is changed to English, but not everything is in English because the device is a Chinese ROM. This will make some functions or features unable to work outside the country, whether Mi AI is not available. The watch face have a beautiful face that is a super wallpaper like a Xiaomi smartphone. Wireless charging, it will have the same look and feel like the Xiaomi smartphone, which I really like the screen of the smartwatch. It won't be as long as the Apple Watch. Finished now. Thank you for watching.